You know, this is almost 34-year-old skin, and I'm pretty proud. I honestly think I'm doing a pretty good job. My name's Zach, I work for BestReviews, and I test a lot of skincare products, and these are a few that I found actually made a difference in my skin that might also help you. So PDRN is basically cells derived from salmon cells, and it's amazing at our skin for unlocking our own growth factors and helping our skin regenerate. So this is one of those products, it's by Kahi. It's also Korean skincare. They are the leaders when it comes to PDRN. This is basically filler in a stick. I like to put it around my eyes here. It goes on really sheer. You can also put it around your mouth. I like to put it on my lips a little bit too. You can put it basically anywhere in your body, but this is gonna be like really regenerative. It also has some fermented oils in it. This is great for a time, like if you're going out or just want to feel fresh. Honestly, I do use this every single day, but PDRN is basically the thing that unlocks your own skin cells to regenerate and to regrow. You might have heard this one before. It is called Volufiline. It is a complete game changer. It's actually been around for a really long time. People have used it in other parts of their body, but this is something that's going to attract fat cells wherever you put it. It's pretty intense. I also, I know I said it's filler in a stick. This is filler in a little serum. I like to put it under my eyes, and I swear that my eyes now look younger than they did 5 years ago. So as I put this under these areas here, I put it around here, I like to put it around my mouth, a little here, but this is going to attract fat cells under the skin to actually build up an area with fat, because fat cells are actually what help keep your skin smooth, what keep things from from moving. I guess this one's 100% pure. It's also a Korean brand, which we'll link. But this one is the one, it'll last you forever because a little tiny drop goes a very long ways. Red light therapy is 100% undoubtedly proven to regenerate skin, like skin cells and everything like that, so and increase collagen growth. Everyone in this industry knows how this works now. So basically it's increasing blood flow, it's building that collagen, and it pushes through all the layers of skin. There's a lot of different products on the market, but Solawave is the leading when it comes to having the strongest actual light on the market. You turn it on, it starts getting a little bit warmer and it starts vibrating as well. So it's kind of nice as you push it through here. I do it every single day for 2 minutes. It has a timer in it. It does it all for you. I push it through here. I go on the sides. You can go through your entire face with it. So it takes a little while. Like I'll reset it a few times. It lasts on one charge for about a week, but every single day, this will make a difference in your skin, but it's not an overnight fix. I think a lot of these products people want an overnight fix. That's not possible. But if you start using something like this every single day, you will get those regeneration effects over time, and you will increase your baseline over each use. So I recommend this. Get one for your whole body. This one's the best one for under eyes though and face. So the sun basically ruins our skin. It's the #1 destroyer of our wrinkles, skin tone, everything. You have to wear sunscreen. It's a non-negotiable. If you are in the sun or alive, you need to wear sunscreen, and this is gonna protect your skin. This one's by Abib. I know I hate the feeling of sunscreen too. It can usually be kind of grainy, break you out. This is really cool though because it's shaped like a stick. You can see it's kind of like curved, and it goes on under the eye. So if you have normal skin, this one's the one you wanna use, is the regular just quick Sunstick. This one's gonna, this is perfect for normal to dry skin. And if you're more of an oily combination and wanna be careful, they have another one, the Airy Sunstick. And they're also water resistant for up to 80 minutes. And something that's also really cool about it is you can put it on over your makeup. If that's something you put on, you can put on over that. It's gonna be sheer. For some reason, this just feels a lot easier to do for me than just putting on, a gross kind of thick mineral-based sunscreen. I know we're just talking about red light therapy, but there's also green light therapy, blue light therapy, purple light therapy, yellow light therapy. Every single different type of color of light actually, it does a different purpose. Like for example, blue helps actually kill bacteria in your skin, but also helps rebuild. Like if you have acne, it's like some lights help with that. But this one's pretty cool because it also has that shape to it. And I like to actually use this one. I like to use the Solawave from under my eyes, and I like to use this one for my neck. I like to go up with my neck, but those lines on the neck, I mean, you want to increase your elasticity here, keep your jawline. I like to go along my jaw as well and help drain the lymphatic drainage there. This one's really cool. We're gonna link that one also so you can check it out for yourself. It kind of looks like a snail to me, but this is one that I also use every day. I'm just sitting there. If you're like watching a TV show or just having a really boring moment, why not regenerate your collagen in the meantime? If the stick isn't your vibe, there's also the Neutrogena, tried and true, dermatologist approved. This is a 60 SPF. The feeling of it, anyway, the feeling of this is ultra sheer. Like I said, it goes on really nice. It's not like that gross corroded feeling you're gonna leave it on your skin. It's perfect to top off after you do all your skincare as a last kind of step to apply. tried and true. If the stick's not for you, you need to wear sunscreen. This one's one of the most common ones, super affordable, and lasts for a few months. I also live in LA though. I love being at the beach. I love the sun. I don't care where you live. If it's summertime, you're probably outside wanting to get a little tan. But guess what? You can tan while also protecting your skin. This is Sunbum tanning oil. It also has 15 SPF in it. It goes on. You spray it on. It goes on clear, just like a normal oil. So at least you know you're protecting your skin a little bit while you're also getting a nice tan going. I'm also someone that likes to grow my hair out every single year. Right now it's the shortest it's probably been in a long time. I usually like to get really long. I love when I'm at the beach though and the salt gets in my hair and then it dries and it's all wavy and I have this cool texture. So I've tried a bunch of different hair textures, you know, with sea salt sprays. This one's by Ouai and it has been the best one. I've tried every single one. Sometimes they make your scalp itchy, they weigh your hair down. But my hair's not long enough for this to actually work right now. But after you shower, spray your hair with this while it's wet, let it air dry and kind of scrunch it together. And you're gonna end up with those perfect beach waves. It also has a really nice scent to it, so that's a little added bonus. Anyway, if any of these products caught your eye, make sure to shop this segment. You can actually shop this entire video and check it out for yourself. And if there's anything you think that we're missing, make sure to comment below. My name is Zach with Best Reviews. Make sure to check us out on all of our other platforms and let us know what you're gonna be doing this summer to have amazing skin.